It's a what room? What room, man? There is no room. There is no room. There is no room. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like a two-part video, kind of going to go after the apartment tour that you guys just saw. But yeah, so I'm picking up my friend Janet. You guys saw her in my other video when I was doing like apartment hunting, and we went to Fashion District or whatever. So yeah, we are about to go to IKEA. I just read that the Burbank IKEA is the biggest IKEA in the US, and so now I'm excited. Janet has never been to an IKEA. I only went to an IKEA just because I moved to Atlanta and it was an IKEA maybe like 8 minutes from me. So yeah, if you've never been to an IKEA, you should go. It is definitely an experience. They have food. They have like 3 floors of stuff. I don't even know. It's a lot of stuff in there. But yeah, you should definitely go if you haven't. But yeah, we're about to go to IKEA. Probably we'll go to some other stores. And then like the rest of the weekend, I'm going to be looking for stuff too. So yeah, when we get there, I will show you guys what they have. Are these like real people?
I guess.
So Janet, how do you like IKEA so far?
I'm overwhelmed.
No, tell them what you just said.
What?
She said, now how do I know where I'm going? So y'all, we walked out of IKEA with nothing because the line was long, and then when I was like looking at the stuff, I was just like, none of this even fits my vibe, the vibe that I want. Janet has a completely different vibe that she has in mind for my apartment.
She just needs to trust me. I think that's what it is.
Trust. but I don't know. So we're like about to go to a plaza with like Target, Walmart, like a bunch of stuff like that, and see what we can find over there. So when we get over there, I will show you guys if we find anything, which is funny because we found stuff in IKEA actually. We just put it all back.
Yeah. Well, we didn't put it back. We really just left the cart. Sorry.
It was the line was so long. Like, did y'all see the line to get in? So imagine the line to like check out. So yeah, we'll show y'all when we get to the other plaza. We are now in Target, so we're about to like look for some home decor and stuff. We're not going to Walmart. Didn't make it to Marshalls or TJ Maxx. They were both closed, and we had to eat first. But yeah, so about to look around in Target. We went to Nordstrom Rack. They didn't have anything. Yeah, so about to look in here. Okay guys, so day 2, we are at, what is this? Oh,
Habitat for Humanity.
Habitat for Humanity. We've been like other places this morning, but not to like look for home decor. So this is the first stop. We will show you guys if we find anything. Hopefully we do. So yeah. So y'all, Janet has persuaded me to do like white and cream instead of all white. We'll see how this goes. I don't know. Do you have something we wanted to say, or
Nothing to say.
we'll see.
All right, so it is day 3, and we've got some extra hands. We got some extra hands, and we're going to be going to Burlington?
Yeah, Big Lots. Ross. And a thrift store.
A thrift store, I think Goodwill. And just really whatever is.
Hopefully we find something today.
Yeah, we're looking for,
everything.
Yeah, we're looking for everything. Mostly furniture, like the big pieces. So hopefully we can find something.
Yeah.
So yeah,
We'll let y'all know.
We'll let y'all know.
So we're in Goodwill. We went to Burlington's and Ross. There was nothing in there. We're now in Goodwill. I was thinking about getting like a computer monitor since classes will be fully online. I don't know. We'll see, guys. They want me to get this bed, and I'm telling them I don't like this bed because I don't like the fact that it has silver, because then I would never be able to decorate my apartment with gold. I mean, I could, but you get what I'm saying.
You couldn't even tell it was silver from back here. No.
You couldn't, but
And this in your room.
it's a what room? What room, man? There is no room. There is no room. There is no room. How did we end up shopping for clothes? I have no idea, but we're here. How do we end up in here? So I'm in Burlington, and I realized it's like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days later, maybe 4 or 5 days later, and I forgot to close out the vlog, like the apartment hunting shop me vlog. So I'm in Burlington. Let me show you guys something. So like, remember how I said I wanted to do like modern, like all white, creams, whatever? I don't know, because I feel like these are cute for like towels, let me see, like towels, washcloths. But then I already got like white couch, white bed. I don't know, I'll show you guys. But pretty much I just wanted to close this vlog out and like ask you guys for some more like suggestions down below. I feel like everybody has been doing like this whole like, I don't even know the word for it, like a bunch of wood, like stuff like this. So I don't know. But pretty much that's all for this vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.